Here. So right now we are getting the mini bike painted. We already got one coat of primer on each. Just getting ready to do the fenders, and so yeah, get back to what I'm doing the fenders. Hey guys, so the mini bike is done painted now. I painted it an apple red. I wanted to use a candy apple red, but it's the same thing. Well, anyways, I got the mini bike painted red. Didn't turn out too bad. The only part I messed up on is right up here, but you can really see that. I did mask off my bearings. Over here is all the parts that I have laid out. I painted my nuts and bolts metallic silver. I painted my disc brake. I didn't paint this part. I duct taped this off. I painted the inner side metallic silver. That metallic silver. This is my brake. I painted this part red, the bolt, and I painted the other part metallic silver. I painted my foot pegs red, and these are all my nuts and bolts. And I went over the throttle cables and the kill switches and heat paint because that had like all red and white on it from the original owner. So here's the paint I used. I used 2 of these red cans. I used 2 of this primer can, and this metallic silver I used. So over here, there's my rocket right back here. And that red, fender's red. My rims turned out really good. I did mask those off too. Here's my forks. So yeah, the mini bike build is almost done. I wanted to put a bigger like racing car on my mini bike, but that can wait for later because I have to buy the extension for it. I have to buy a new throttle for it, cable. I have to buy a new air filter for it. So that's just gonna wait for a while so I can afford that much. But yeah. So next video should be assembly the mini bike. So today's Tuesday. It is let's see. Well, anyways, so it's Tuesday. I'm gonna let it dry today, Wednesday, and Thursday. I'm hoping to put it back together. So one more part to this video, and the build series is done. So if you guys like the video, please subscribe, comment below. See you next video. Bye.